Today is day 6. Today is our last day here. We're actually at the ATM. We're gonna take out money, and I am about to go to Little London, grab Auntie Cutie. Grab Auntie Cute. Watch out. I want you for Kai. You have Charlie horse. I think he had Charlie horse. Alright, alright. So I'm gonna pick up Auntie Hugh to go to Sav, and I'll take you guys along with me because I need to get some stuff to take home. I want to get some magnum, I want to get some sorrel beer, and I also want to get some meat seasoning and chicken seasoning. I also want to see if I find cherry-mina. From I've come here, I've been on the hunt for cherry-mina. If you guys don't know what cherry-mina is, I'll post a picture right here of what cherry-mina is. I've been on the hunt for cherry-mina every single time since I come to Jamaica, and I've never been able to get it. So that's what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna, if we have time, I want to take some pictures, but if we don't, it is what it is. So yeah, yesterday was day 5. We were supposed to go to Babe's grandmother. We actually went there. We left and our tire blew out and all that. Check out theme vlog for that footage, because I didn't vlog much because I was messing with the GPS, and I had Kai and Milani back here, and it was just a long day overall. And then the tire being bust didn't make it any better, but I was glad that Babe was able to see his grandmother and spend some time with her. So yeah, I'll see you when we catch a Sav. We're actually in the grill at the Scotia Inn. So we go buy things. I think I got 12 magnum. Yes. 12 red stripe. Yeah. One Rene for one rum cream. I'm gonna get carbolic and Dettol soap. Yes. So with your Sav, it's hot as hell. See Auntie Cutie there.
And we are back to your mother?
No sir, it's a vlog.
Okay, okay.
You see it on YouTube.
Yeah, okay.
So we are going now, we get what we want.
Yes.
Check out that concept in Doodle.
I will. So Babe said I must be cool.
Eh?
You can go in front and take you.
Are you?
Till you come. Come and see, at this man, when we look for the tree, we say that you know, so the mango that's so right.
See.
At the time, remember I done it, I never found it. Only jockey. I really didn't share it. Sorry, it's a moon around on the tree, no man. But if all the dog want, if 2 weeks or so, no, I go around and I get a couple more mango. Well, but them out right right now, no.
They will come in by then.
Yeah, them out coming. Yeah, man, them out coming now, man. I second one to find one now. She don't find one girl.
See. Mommy.
Tummy. Tummy. Mommy.
Careful, Kai.
He can't manage no. He can't manage no more. Tomorrow we go and can't even. He can't even burn off the girl.
If he's a game, I'm going to buy it. I ring the logo and I'm going to give me the help and how can I find this? I want to hold you.
He just wish he could have carried you.
Man, love the fruits, man.
Fruits and vegetables in meat.
You see it? Sorry, say Allah, no need very thin. Yeah.
Mommy. Mommy. Milani. Hi, girly. Hi, girly.
Look on Kai, babe.
You in, Kai? That's something there. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I chop the top next to the white and the Chinese.
And them I do them thing.
Okay, you want something to hold you.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know who not that keep it.
You don't like me, Fred?
You want mommy? Alright. The whole time I filmed before, sound off. Alright, so
The whole time. Even
the
the
whole
trip.
eh?
Trip with the man.
It looks so.
God knows.
Yeah, I forgot to see. Maybe not. Maybe it was just this last time. Cause I have a habit. I switch it on and off without noticing.
Thank you guys for watching, and see you tomorrow when we leave. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Mommy.
Deuces.